Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by choosing where to build your Memoji and confirming permissions. Open Google Messages, Samsung AR Emoji, or Bitmoji. Make sure camera and mic access are granted. Once done, tap the emoji or sticker button and look for Create or Avatar options. You're not just picking features, you're creating a base model to customize. So start with a clear face shot or selfie prompt when requested. This speeds face detection and produces a closer initial likeness for editing. Now dive into detailed customization. Change face shape, skin tone, and hair using sliders or predefined options. You control subtle ratios. Adjust eyes, brows, nose, and mouth to match proportions and expression. Add glasses or facial hair for personality. Choose clothing and accessories next, matching colors and patterns to your style. Make small changes and preview animated expressions so the avatar behaves naturally. Save a preset before heavy edits, so you can revert if finish by saving and exporting your Memoji as stickers, GIF, or an animated avatar to the keyboard so you can use it in chats. Sync to your Google or Samsung account to access it across devices and make incremental updates from the avatar settings later. If face tracking or export fails, reset face detection, clear the app cache, or reinstall the app. Make sure camera permissions remain enabled. One key tip: restart the app after saving to force the system to register the new avatar.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.